talk, pink polos, I hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors is closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
Ooh, I feel like it's been a minute since I've installed a frontal wig. I've been doing a bunch of closure glueless wig installs for y'all. So I'm super ecstatic to be installing this gorgeous wig right here. Do y'all see this hairline? It looks amazing. It came pre-plucked and the knots are not even bleached on this baby. When I tell you the knots on this wig were so small, it looked really natural. And I don't know what it is about these straight wigs, but they've been coming silky straight. Like I barely have to do anything to them other than run the straightener through it just to get any kinks out that happened during shipping. I want to give a big thank you to WestKiss for sponsoring today's video. This is their straight 24-inch HD lace frontal wig. It is a 13 by 6-inch frontal. You can literally part this baby wherever. Look at that parting space. It looks so good. The hairline looks so good. It was easy to install. It was easy to blend. This hair looks amazing and it feels amazing too. So today's install is not a glueless install. I did use spray as well as my Bold Hold liquid gold to install this wig because I am going to be wearing it for a few days, but I get a nice install when I do that. This lace is nice and secure, baby. It ain't going nowhere, okay? So I've been doing 24 inches lately and it's been hitting your girl pretty far down. Look at where it goes. It's literally right there at my waist. So I think that's pretty good for 24 inches. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And if you would like to see how I installed this gorgeous HD frontal wig from WestKissHair, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, Just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Loosen up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming now. But we're missing 'cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh, so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming.
So I hope y'all enjoyed this wig install. It was super easy to install. I feel like this hair looks really good. It's low maintenance. Straight hair is always so low maintenance, and I love it when the hair comes pretty much bone straight, because not every straight wig looks like this straight out the package. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, I will leave a link down below to WestKiss website, as well as any coupon codes that they provide your girl with. If you enjoyed this wig install and would like to see more, definitely give your girl a big thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about this wig style in the comment section down below. Also, if you tried this wig or you've tried this hair company, WestKiss, let me know what your thoughts are on the hair, because I would love y'all's feedback as well. I want to make sure that y'all are receiving just as great quality wigs as they send to me, because if that's not the case, we have a problem. If you have not already checked out my latest makeup tutorial, definitely click the box right here. It's gonna take you straight to the video, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye.